Welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make Fenugreek Raita or Methi Raita. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you may do it now, or you may miss my upcoming interesting videos. And I can assure you that you will not be disappointed subscribing here in my channel. Ingredients for Fenugreek Raita: green chilli, sprouted fenugreek, curry leaves, ginger small piece, tomato, onion, coriander leaves, mustard seeds, and curd. Finely chop green chilli, small piece of ginger, onion, and tomato. For sprouting fenugreek, take a spoon of fenugreek seeds, wash and clean it, and then keep it soaked for 6 to 8 hours. After that, throw away the water and then close it and keep for sprouting. After sprouting, I normally keep it in a Ziploc bag in the fridge, and it stays there for good more than 15 days. You can use it whenever you need. Take a pan, pour in some oil, splutter mustard seeds, curry leaves, then goes in the onion, cut onion, sauté it well, keep stirring. Chopped ginger and green chilies goes in next. Put in the chopped tomatoes. Stir it well. Let it cook well. Then add the sprouted fenugreek seeds. It's cooked well. Close the gas. Let it cool down. Transfer it into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of curd. Mix it well. Add salt if required. Garnish it with cut coriander leaves. Yeah, that's it. Enjoy Fenugreek Raita. Thanks for watching. Bye. Do like, share and subscribe.